Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix laptop battery plugged in, not charging in Windows 7. First shut down your laptop. Remove laptop battery, plug in the charger, turn on laptop. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand batteries. Uninstall all entries under batteries except Microsoft Composite Battery. Shut down system. Turn on laptop. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.